This video has nothing to do with the calculation. It is just to how to or keep your model organized in a way that one thing will end up creating many measures. So it's very much important to keep it organized. It means we can actually keep all the measures under one table, or we can create separate tables also depending on the calculation. Suppose this model has the data for 10 projects, so we can actually create different measure tables, which is actually possible. But right now I'm going to talk about only one measure table, because the procedure will remain same. Either you create 1 or 10. In our model we'll keep only one. Okay, so that will be able to keep all the measures under that table. So how to create it? First of all, you need to create a table from scratch. What do you mean by that? Will not be getting the table from outside, will not be accessing any other source. Inside Power BI, we are going to create one table. Let me show you. If I'll go to the Home tab, you will notice we have an option of Enter Data. There are so many small things we have to do. So let us just keep a track of the same. So clicked on the Enter Data, and now you can see it is a blank table. I can actually type in the values to create the entire table. I'll simply say test, right? That is the text I need to put it over here. Just random, it is not required. It won't be useful later on, that's the reason. And the name of the table, I would say all measures, right? That's it, the name of the table. And this table is going to have only one column and just one value. I'll simply say load. No need to go to edit, because nothing to do with the data type or maybe the name of the table, nothing. Simply say load, and we'll end up having that table as the part of the fields over here. It will come up in a minute. Okay, just applying the changes, you can see it's happening. Right. Okay, so we have it with us, and I can simply say apply changes right now, because technically we didn't went over there into Power Query, right? So I'll simply cross it, whatever, it won't matter at all to us right now. And we have all of these tables with us apart from the measures. Right now, you know one thing, that we have few measures that we have created already, and let me just shift those measures inside the all measure table. How to do it? Where is the measure? If I simply go to the returns table, I can see this symbol over here. These are the measures, right? I'll simply click on this measure, and then you will notice under the measure tools on the left hand side, you will see we have the home table option. Now this is not supposed to be F returns, this is supposed to be all measures. So I'm simply moving this measure from the returns table into the all measures table. I'll simply click on it, and it'll just go under that roof. So there you go, you can see it's coming up over there. And similarly, I'm going to select the total order quantity, and I'll repeat that procedure. It's not supposed to be returns, it is supposed to be all measures. So I'm going to keep all the measures into this table from now onwards. And then also the total return quantity, I'll just go there and change it back to all measures. Yes, I know if you may have created the entire model already, this is a task that you have to do, right? Okay, so it is showing some problem over here. This is because of the table that we have moved to, and somehow if you see, the problem lies in the return rate, because rest of the measures are coming absolutely okay, but this is coming with some information symbol, return rate. So if I come over here, you will notice that here it has also captured the name of the table, right? No need to worry about it. You simply come over here and remove this name, because it is not that the measure won't don't belong to any table. If you see, it doesn't matter, the table name doesn't matter. So by default it picked up, we didn't bother at that time. Right now simply remove it, and simply press enter, and it will automatically fix it. let it fix the same. Okay, we got the values. It's absolutely fine. So we have right now 3 measures with us. Now, 2 things we have to do right now. First, I'm going to simply hide the column. There is no use of this column because now I have few more items into this table, all measures. I'll right click and I'll hide it. Number 1. Second task, this table, let it work. Okay, I'll collapse it, and this table icon is looking similar to what we have in others, right? So what I'm going to do, I just need to refresh this fields pane. How to refresh it? I'll simply hide it by clicking on this bar. You can see show hide pane, and then I'll click on it once again, and boom, you can see the icon of this all measures tables is absolutely different from the others. And once I click on the drop down, you will see all the measures coming under this hood. So it means this is a dedicated table that we created for all the measures. Now onwards, I'll try to keep all the measures here. This is just for myself because I always feel that keeping the things organized is very much important. I believe you too agree on the statement, right? So that's it. Thank you so much. Just watch this video and create it so that you can follow along in the next video. Thank you.